This scheduling algorithm by Jerome D. Tabale. Let me discuss you the Look scheduling algorithm. The Look scheduling algorithm is a disk scheduling method used to determine the order in which read and write requests to the disk are processed. It is designed to optimize the movement of disk read-write head, minimizing seek time and improving overall efficiency. So, yung this algorithm is request that look algorithm disk that end up servicing request until it going reaches. So, this is the step of look scheduling algorithm. Sort the request, determine the closest request in the current direction, move the disk, and this is the given example. The value is sampled 76, 55, 40, 5, 98, 82, 34, 15, 12, 105, and 59. And this is the sorted request, which is 12, 15. And this is how you solve it with a graph. 55 followed by 50 followed by 55 to 59 to 76, 82 to 98 to 105, and reverse direction to 45 to 34 to 15 and to final value, which is the 12, the least value. So I started at 50, which is the disk movement head, starting at 50. This is the position sequence. Started 50, followed by 55 to 59, 76 to 82 to 98 to 105, and reverse to 45, 34, 15, and 12. And this is the track movements and how you solve it. From 55 to 50 to 55 minus the lowest value, and you can get the track movements. And 55 to 59 you can get 4, and the track values distance is 5, 4, 17, 6, 16, 7, 60, 11, 19, and 3. And the total track movements is 148 units. And that's all. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something from my discussion.